All right, guys, we got a 2019 Dodge Durango RT. Sexy maroon color. There she is. Look at this beauty. What we got done on this beautiful beast. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Then there's usually a suitcase muffler that goes in here. As you guys can see, it's gone. And what we put is 2 1/4 pipe in its place on each side. Then put 2 vibrants. She didn't want it too loud. She wanted just a little bit of a deep tone. So we said vibrant is the way to go. Part number 1791. Right there. They're the little bit longer ones too. They are 14-inch body length. And then to even tame it a little bit more, we also put an X pipe in right after. Right there. Then it continues 2 1/4. We did a rear resonator delete on this side. And a rear resonator delete on this side, and put some massive 5-inch angle cut black tips to complete the look, just to make it look extra sexy for them, as you guys can see. Look at that. And it goes with the bend perfectly with the angle, as you guys can see right there. There's the muffler, kidney bean, they call them. Kidney bean muffler in the middle. There's the 2 resonators. And there's the 2 flimsy tips that were on it that we cut off. Right there. Replaced it with this, the beast. And like always, guys, there'll be a link in the description for everything you see in there. And please hit the like button and share and comment. Tell me what kind of sound you guys like on these Durangos, if it's the Vibrant or the Outlaws or whatever you guys do. So keep doing what you guys are doing. We really appreciate it. And guys, they drove all the way from Indiana, so we really appreciate their business. We really appreciate them watching. They're fans of our YouTube channel. So we made sure to take care of them. Go ahead. Yeah? What do you think? Yeah! Look at the smile on her face. She likes it! Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again? 107. That's not bad. That's perfect. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. Go ahead and return it. It's got a nice idle too. Durango with vibrance, X-Pipe, 5-inch tips. Man, that sounds so good. It's so deep. We just released the beast. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Durango with vibrant mids, X-Pipe, and 5-inch angle cut tips. Black. That smoke you're seeing is the paint. Gonna do a drive-by. Here we go. That sounds good.